The unsent letter. Aurora was a gentle, hearted girl living with her family in a peaceful seaside village. Every morning, she would walk to the beach, watch the sunrise, and listen to the waves. Her days passed serenely until one day a stranger appeared. Nolan, a young photographer, came to the seaside seeking inspiration for his new project. He happened upon Aurora while she was collecting seashells on the sand. Captivated by her natural beauty and radiant smile, Nolan introduced himself. They quickly became friends, exploring the most picturesque spots of the seaside together. On many evenings, they would sit on the rocky cliffs at sunset, sharing stories about life and dreams. However, Nolan kept a secret from Aurora. He had a congenital heart condition. He believed he had enough time to fulfill their plans, but fate thought otherwise. One day, while taking photos on a cliff, Nolan suddenly collapsed. Aurora panicked, calling for help and rushing him to the hospital. It was there that Aurora learned of Nolan's condition. The doctor explained that he needed immediate surgery, though the chances of success were slim. Aurora's world crumbled. She couldn't fathom that the man she loved was teetering between life and death. Nolan tried to comfort Aurora, assuring her that he didn't want her to worry. He put on a brave face, though fear gripped him. Before going into surgery, he handed Aurora a small box, asking her to open it only after the procedure. The surgery lasted hours. Aurora sat in the hallway, her heart in turmoil. Finally, the doctor emerged with a solemn expression and informed her that Nolan had passed away. Aurora was devastated. Tears streamed down her face as she struggled to accept the cruel reality. The man she loved was gone forever, leaving behind unfulfilled dreams and promises. In her overwhelming grief, Aurora remembered the box Nolan had given her. Inside, she found a letter and a heart-shaped necklace. The letter read, "Forever loving you, Nolan." Aurora clutched the letter, her tears soaking the paper. Her heart felt shattered. In the days that followed, she became a shadow of herself, silent and withdrawn. Her family and friends worried, but no one could console her. As time passed, Aurora decided to leave her hometown, carrying Nolan's necklace and letter. She began her journey, visiting the places they had dreamed of together. In every destination, she captured stunning photos, just as Nolan once had. Yet, no matter where she went, her heart remained heavy. Memories of Nolan weighed on her constantly. She felt alone among the crowds, with no one to share her joys and sorrows. One day, in a distant city, Aurora met Dylan, a warm and kind-hearted young man. Dylan helped her when she got lost, and they quickly became friends. He brought laughter and joy back into Aurora's life, feelings she hadn't experienced in a long time. Gradually, Aurora began to open up and allow herself to enjoy life again. Yet, whenever she thought of Nolan, guilt consumed her. She wondered if she had the right to be happy when the man she loved was gone. Dylan eventually confessed his feelings for Aurora, expressing his desire to be with her. Torn, Aurora felt her heart divided. She didn't want to betray Nolan's memory, but she couldn't deny her feelings for Dylan. One night, in a small hotel room, Aurora sat by the window, gazing at the starry sky. She took out Nolan's necklace and letter, rereading his words. Silent tears streamed down her face. She questioned whether she was honoring Nolan's wishes. He wanted her to live fully and pursue her dreams, but she had allowed pain and memories to chain her. She realized she couldn't go on like this. Aurora decided to return to her hometown, the place where it all began. Standing once again on the familiar beach, she felt a small weight lift from her heart, but the pain remained. Aurora understood that some wounds never heal and some people are irreplaceable. She accepted that life doesn't always have happy endings. Aurora opened a small photography shop by the shore, where she and Nolan had once shared dreams. She captured memories for locals and travelers, sharing her story with them. Though sorrow lingered, she found peace in preserving the memories of others. Aurora's story ended in quiet acceptance. She didn't find new love, nor did any miracles occur. But she learned to live with her pain, cherish her memories, and continue walking her path.